Good morning, everyone. I am Sandra Habana, and welcome to Capstone 2, Week 2, Lesson 2. So, yes, what did we discuss last time? Yes, 8 common reasons why we learn English. Right. Okay, now, if you already know the reason why you're learning English, so is English important when you're looking for a job? Yes? Okay. You think it's important? Yes, because, okay, why is it important? This is because of lingua franca. So yes, especially international companies, they use English. Interviews are also sometimes in English. So yeah. And what kind of job do you want to have? Or what is your job if you're already working? Okay, James. Nice, you're an engineer. That's a good job. Okay. Amy? Oh, you want to be a teacher like me. That's also good. Okay, nice to hear that. So, I would like you to tell me whether you agree or disagree to this. Okay. Alright, so it says here that choose a job you love and you will never have to work a day in your life. Agree or disagree? Okay, yes. Yes, Sue. Excellent. Okay, so Sue agrees because she enjoys her job. She loves her job. Okay. Who wants to contradict? Who disagrees? Okay. Yes, Elena. You disagree? You don't think it's easy to do your job? I understand that. Okay. I'm going to show you 5 pictures and guess their job. What do you think is the man's job? What is that? Blowing? Okay. Let's find out. How about this? What is the person's job? Like bowing, yeah. What is that job? Okay. Let's see. How about this? Yeah, elephants. What job, okay, can a person do with the elephants? Caretaker of elephants? Could be. Okay, how about them? They are crying. Somebody died? Yes, somebody died. But what's their job? A job to cry? Okay. And how about this one? What is her job? Yeah, she's sleeping. So can you guess what her job is? She's just sleeping in her job. Okay. You'll find out later. So now, using a PowerPoint presentation here. Okay, so you have to match the job description to the profession. Okay, so yes, the first one you see, professional elephant dresser. Okay, so yes, match that. Professional elephant dresser. Okay, yes, the person that is paid to make clothes for elephants. That's correct. How about the women here? Who are they? Professional mourner. Correct, Sue. Okay, excellent. So, what does a professional mourner do? Okay, Eric, yes? A person, okay, who is hired to go to the cemetery and cry. So, for the deceased, as if they were best friends. How about her? So, as you see in the picture, what's her job? So, she's a professional sleeper. Okay. What does she do? Yes. She is paid to sleep and give feedback. Okay, about, yes, the bed. If she's comfortable, if she slept well, yes. And the man here, breath odor evaluator. Meaning, okay, what does he do? So choose here, okay. So this person is paid to smell other people's breath to check. Yes, to check if the product works. Like for example, with chewing gum. And then smell the breath if the result is achieved. Okay, there you go. Thank you so much.